Man, Robin. Did a wheel swap and I had to paint the interior of that because it was that shiny chrome. It's a little more realistic with the beige. I might have to touch it up a little bit. I think those mags look cooler than the ones that were on it. I don't know, why I like that. Yeah. Reminds me of the Corvette station wagon. Just the back end more over than the front. I think it would be interesting if I actually took another one of those and did a custom with an older Hot Wheels Corvette with a Corvette front end on it, just to make it work and give it a Corvette rear end. It's fun. Let me try it one time anyway.